today is our first video, and please don't judge us of our grammars, pronunciations, because we are not from the USA or UK or any countries that perfectly speak English. We are from the Philippines.
And maglalaro din po kami ng tagu-taguan. At dito lang kami sa living room or kitchen at labas. Anong hinihintay natin?
Let's go!
Let's go! Magbato-bato pick muna kami.
Let's play.
Okay, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No!
Yay! Let's go! Siya yung seeker, ako naman yung hider. Let's go! Nagsa-start na siya, guys. And dito ako magtatago.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. No.
Ako na naman yung winner! Naman ulit yung seeker, so
No!
let's go! Nagsa-start na siya. Let's go. Dito tayo sa labas. Kasi, dito. Guys! Tuyo! Let's go, guys! So, siya na naman yung seeker. Pero, para hindi medyo
Fair.
pag nahanap niya ako, siya na ulit. Ay, siya na yung hider at ako naman yung seeker. So, let's go. So, ako ulit at ando na siya. Let's go. So, dito tayo magtago. Let's go. Yay! Let's go, guys! So, siya na naman yung seeker. At ako na naman yung... Anong tawag na dito? Hider. So, let's go. To be fair, ako naman yung seeker at siya naman yung hider. So, magsurdo tayo. Let's go!
So, okay, guys. I'm just going to find a hiding place.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, hanapin mo. Kaya! Sobrang galing na guys! Yay! Winner na naman tayo! So guys, dito lang tatapos ang aming vlog at bukas mag-upload naman kami ng bago. At abangan ninyo yan! Bye guys!
Goodbye, guys. Hope you have a nice day.